We needed a space that was clean, that was modern, that was adaptable to this particular medium of textiles, because previously it had no real home for it to go in. The hardest bit for me was making it clear what we wanted from the space and what the vision was and how it could be future-proofed. So we wanted to make sure that we were getting all the aspects of the design completely right. Throughout the process, Pinnacle would work with us, which was really useful because we were completely involved in the process of that. The communication has been really clear throughout the whole process. Yeah, I can't fault them whatsoever. We absolutely love the room. It's been really fantastic to have students come in, even when they're not actually in lessons down there, coming in and commenting about the classroom. It allows for a better flow during the actual lesson, but also it allows students to move around to the different zones depending on what part of the project they're on. So that's been really positive.